Okay, you wrote your paragraph by hand. Now you want to type it so it looks good and you can upload it to our Canvas assignment. Let's type the paragraph into Google Docs. What's Google Docs? Okay, it looks like this, a piece of paper on the computer. This is a document. And we are using the app Google Docs. In your assignment, it tells you to type and submit your paragraph in Google Docs. You can read these directions to learn how. So Google Docs, if you want to type a paragraph, if you want to share your work with a classmate to get feedback first, Google Docs are free. Maybe you know Microsoft Word. Google Docs is easier. So let's look. There's some pros, good things, and cons, some bad things. The best, it's free. And you don't need to save. In Microsoft Word, you must remember to save, or maybe you lose everything. Not Google Docs. Every change saves automatically, instantly, on the internet, in your drive. What is this? We will find out. And with Google Docs, it's easy to share documents with a group. Okay, Google Docs are not as great as Microsoft Word, but it does everything you need just to type a paragraph. And Google Docs requires the internet. So if the internet is down or slow, you can't access your docs. You can't find your docs if you don't have internet. But if you have internet, no problem. And it's free. How to find your Google Docs. So your Triton email uses Google email. Maybe your personal email is Gmail. Okay, you can use Google Docs. So click on the Waffle Apps icon. It looks like this in the upper right corner. So open your email. Okay, in the upper right corner, click Google Apps, and you will see Docs. Sometimes here, sometimes here. It looks like this. Click Docs and choose blank, a blank document. Okay, Docs, and click on blank. Okay, to save a Google Doc, right now the name is Untitled Document. No title, no name. It needs a name. So you click on the words in the upper left corner, Untitled Document, click here, and type the name of the document that you want here. It is automatically, instantly saved to your drive. And I will show you this in a minute. For example, you can name this job paragraph or name it after the topic of your work you're writing. So I click here and I will change the name to job paragraph and hit enter. Okay, and it's saved to my drive. Now I can start typing. Every time you change anything on a Google Doc, it saves automatically. Every second it is saving. Now, some typing tips, some help when you are typing. If you want to type a title in the middle click the arrow next to the alignment icon. You have these alignment icons. So click on this little arrow if you don't see the center one, and you're going to choose center align, this one right here. Okay, so right now I'm typing on the left, but I want my title in the middle. So I can click this little arrow and I want the center align icon. Okay, and maybe I'm writing my paragraph about teaching. Okay, I can highlight and change the size, the font size, make it bigger, smaller, bigger. Okay, and I hit enter, enter. Now I have a space, but I want to type my paragraph from the left. So I click on the left align. Align left, and boom, it's over here. Usually typing is size 12. 12 is good for a paragraph. Okay, so click on the left align icon to make your paragraph line up on the left side, like usual. To indent, right? A paragraph, you indent your first line. So hit the tab key on your keyboard. On your keyboard, kind of top left, hit tab. One time, it gives you the correct indent space. Okay, hit tab. Boom. Now I indented my space and I can start typing. Teaching is a great job for me for many reasons. You can type, 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 type. Now, when you are typing, you do not need to hit enter at the end. Don't hit enter. Don't hit enter. Just keep typing and automatically it moves to the next line and you can see the indent, right? Before you start typing though, you want to double space your paragraph. How can you change the spacing? So you need the spacing icon. The spacing icon has these arrows, these lines, looks like this. Click on the spacing icon and then click double. Okie doke. So here's my spacing icon and click double. Now, if I type my sentences, first, teachers get to meet many new interesting people, both colleagues and students. Okay, and you saw I was typing, 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 and automatically it moved to the next line. And now I have a double space. That's good for teachers. They like double-spaced papers. Okay, if you are working on a Google Doc and you need to stop working, or your computer shuts down and you lose your document, don't worry, it's not lost. You can find your Google Doc later. Remember, it saves every second, instantly. So go back to your Triton email or your Gmail. You have to remember which email. Click on the waffle for Google Apps and click on Drive. This icon is the Drive icon. And you will see your Google Doc there. Okay, so if I click on my email, my school email, and here's my Google Apps, I click Drive, and at the top, right there, my job paragraph. Double click, and voila, you can see your paragraph again and continue typing. Pretty nice. Now, when you're finished, you need to submit the Google Doc to Canvas. So in the top right of the document, click Share. Looks like this. You need to change something. It starts restricted, it's private. Only you can see your document if you don't change this to anyone with the link. Okay. So up here, I click Share, and it says private to only me. Only I can see this right now. I click Share. And under General Access, I click the arrow and click anyone with the link. Okay, now anyone with the link, this is on the internet. This has a web address, but this address you can edit or change something. So if I share my link, that person can only view or look at my document. They can't change or type on it. Please click Viewer and choose Commenter. The teacher wants to comment on your document. Okay, Commenter. Then, okay, anyone with the link on the right side, change what the reader can do to Commenter. Dun, dun. Then click Copy Link. Then go back to your Canvas assignment. Toggle back. In the web box, in the Enter Web URL, click in the box and paste the link. Then click Submit Assignment. Okay, so anyone with a link, commenter, click Copy Link. Dun, dun, and I can click Done. Now, where is the Canvas assignment? I'm looking at the top tabs, and here is my Canvas assignment. I have the instructions open. I will close that. Here's the assignment. In the web URL box, click and right click and choose Paste. Here is the link to my Google Doc. And click Submit Assignment. Oh, you did it. If you have questions, please ask. We will try this many times.